Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the theme in this device. This is very simple. For this, go to settings and tap on the option themes. Tap on this one. So it will automatically open the Galaxy themes, and at the bottom tab you can see the some options: themes, wallpaper, icons, AOD. Right? So to change the theme, select the tab theme. So in this page you can see all the paid and the free themes. You can see it is 119, it is 81, 178, like that. To set the free themes, tap on the option top, and here you can see one drop down box. Tap on this one, and from here you need to select the option free. So here you can see all the free themes. You can see here according to your choice you can easily select any theme. So simply here I am going to select this one. Okay, now tap on the option. So here you can see how this themes looks on your device. You can see. Now tap on the option download. Tap on apply. You can see it is applying. You can see successfully we changed the theme. You can see the icons is changed, the home screen wallpaper is changed, the lock screen wallpaper is changed, the font size, font style is also changed. Right? So simply in this way we can change the themes in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.